I tried using DeepSeek AI and another AI tool for YouTube automation, and the result turned out crazier than expected. So if you're looking to blow your channel very fast in 2025, then you need to watch this video to the end. No bullshit. I am going to give you everything you need to make this possible, and I'm confident by the end of this video, you're going to have your own YouTube channels, which will generate you some cool cash. If you're ready, hit the like button, then comment more money. Alright, so if you check this my new channel, you can see the date here is December 2024. This is because I was trying a particular niche, but the result was slow after putting in lots of effort. So I tried something I was already doing, and in 10 days, I've been able to gather over 51,000 subscribers, which is mind-blowing. In fact, this is one of the easiest niches you can start right now. The good thing is you don't need any special skills. Trust me, the only thing you need is to listen to whatever I share in this video. Yes, you need to follow this to get a similar result. Alright, so we're going to start with finding ideas. Now this is where a lot of people fail when it comes to YouTube automation. Many of you think you can just pick any random topic, make a video and go viral. But here's the thing, doing that can end up wasting your time. Trust me on this. To get the views you're aiming for, you need to focus on finding the right ideas. This step is crucial, so pay close attention. Why? Because even a small mistake here can lead to creating a video that just doesn't resonate or make sense to your audience. And for this, I'm going to show you the trick I use to get ideas that always go viral. Alright, go to the video description and you'll find this link. Simply click on it. This will take you to these prompts here. Now, you can see two prompts. These are the prompts you need to generate viral video ideas and video scripts as well. Anyway, if you need any specific prompt for your project, kindly send me a message on Instagram or simply share it in the comment section. I will try my best and get you the best prompt. Alright, let's continue. We're going to use the first prompt for the video ideas. So let's copy it from here. Now, open DeepSeek. We're using DeepSeek because this is what I used to get this result. And you don't have to pay anything. It's free and unlimited. This way, you can generate hundreds and thousands of ideas and scripts without using your credit card. Alright, let's paste the prompt we copied into the prompt box. Now pay attention here. You can see we need to enter the number of ideas we want here. I will enter something like 50, but feel free to enter any number you want. Now, we need to enter the topic. For this, there are a few topics I will recommend, especially when starting out. The first one is relationship. In fact, I've tried and tested this, and I can say it's really working. The next topic you can go for is crime stories. This is also working as well. I have about 6 topics, but I think these two will help you grow your channel faster. Yes, this is based on my own experience. Alright, let's enter relationship here as our topic. Now, let's hit enter, then let's see what DeepSeek will give us. Perfect. So you can see that DeepSeek has given us 50 interesting ideas we can use. Now listen, you don't have to pick any topic from here. You need to go through these topics to select the interesting ones. Check this one here. It says, a woman signs up for a dating app only to be matched with her father. This is very interesting. Check the number 47. It also says, a couple opens a time capsule they buried 10 years ago, revealing secrets they've been hiding from each other. Can you imagine? Very interesting topics. So just browse through, then select all the interesting topics. Once you find what you like, then you need to follow me to the next step, which is generating the script. This step is simple, but you need to follow carefully. Yes, because if the script sucks, your audience will only watch a few portions of the video and leave. If this happens, you're going to end up getting low retention, which is equal to low views. And I hope you're aware of this. Alright, let's go to the prompt again, and this time we're going to copy the second prompt from here. Now, let's head back to DeepSeek. Here, you don't have to change anything. Yes, you don't need to start a new chat. Simply paste the prompt you copied here. Perfect. Now, we can't just hit enter, because it's going to generate random scripts for us. So, what we're going to do is to enter the idea number here. I'm talking about these ideas we generated a few moments ago. Let's use idea number 50 as an example. So, I will enter here idea number 50. Now, let's hit enter. Alright, our script is ready. And you can see how interesting it is. Anyway, if you need any specific prompt for your project, just drop it at the comments section or simply send me a message on Instagram. I will do my best to assist you, alright? So if you want to make the script longer, you can ask it to make it longer for you. The same way you can ask it to make it concise if you want to. But I think what it generates is okay. So this way, you can generate scripts from any of the ideas you generate. This is very simple, but it's going to get you amazing results, alright? If you're enjoying what I'm sharing with you, kindly like the video, share, and subscribe. This doesn't take more than 10 seconds. So what are you waiting for? Remember, your support motivates me to keep bringing you content every week. Alright, so now that our script is ready, we need to move on to generate the video. This is where it gets interesting, and patience is the key here. So, you need to follow the video carefully to avoid mistakes. Alright, we're going to use a new tool which is currently trending. It's called Clippy AI, and you'll find the link in the video description. Once you are here, simply go ahead and sign up for an account. I'm not going to walk you through the sign-up process because I know you guys are smart and can do this. Alright, let's move on. So, once you're logged into your dashboard, you're going to see lots of niches here. In fact, these are all good. But if you want to grow your channel really fast, then you need to go with the tech stories. I'm being sincere with you, and that's what we're focusing on today. Alright, let's hit on that. Perfect. Now, we need to choose a template and set the profile of the characters. Alright, I will go with the dark WhatsApp template here. So let's click on it. Now, we need to give our character a name. So let's go back to the script. In my case, it's Alex. So let's head back to Clippy AI and enter it here. Make sure to add emojis to the contact. This makes it engaging. Next is the profile photo. So let's click on this button, then upload a photo. I'm going to use one of my avatars as an example. Alright, so you can see the photo is being uploaded here. Perfect. Now click on the advanced settings button. Here, you have the option to adjust these settings. You can choose the number of messages you want per page. So if you want 10, you simply have to enter it here. Another interesting option here is the watermark option. This will protect you from people copying your content. You can see you can change the font style of the watermark text, and you can also make it transparent, which I recommend. Let's hit the save button. Alright, let's click on next. Here, you can see we have three options. You can import your script by uploading a CSV file of your script. You can also paste your script here, but it has to follow this format. Another way is to use the AI to generate the script. All you have to do is to select any of these duration, give it your prompt, and once you hit the generate button, it's going to generate the script for you. It's simple. In fact, I'm not interested in these two options, but you can go ahead and try it out if you like. I'm only showing you what I personally do. Alright, we're going to use the first option. So let's go back to our script, then copy it from here. Make sure you don't include the subtitles. I'm talking about this, or this. Alright, I will copy a portion of it, because this is just a tutorial. Perfect. Let's go back to Clippy AI, then let's paste the text we copied here. Now, click on this button. Awesome. You can see the text is added here. This is easy, right? You can preview it here. This is something I recommend, because it guides you if you're doing something wrong. Alright, let's click on next. Now here, we need to pick a voice for the characters. And here you can see voice 1 and voice 2, meaning voice 1 is Alex. So, let's find a male voice from here. I'll go with this popular voice called Adam. Now, if you click here, you can adjust these settings to your preference. Alright, let's pick a voice for the next character, which is Jess. I will find a nice female voice for this character. Good. Now, let's click this button here to start generating the voiceover. The voiceover is ready. Let's click on next. Alright, here simply choose any of these videos, but I recommend you don't use the same videos always. You can record your own gameplay and upload it here, or you can get copyright-free gameplay videos from Pinterest and upload it here. You can also choose a background sound from here, or you can simply upload your own background sound. This is very useful if you want to get a higher retention. Find music that goes with the story. Don't just choose any random background sound. Let's generate the video by clicking the Generate button. Alright, let's name our project and hit on Render Video. Perfect. Let's download the video and see the result.
Hey, so, I need to tell you something.
Uh-oh, that sounds serious. What's up?
Okay, don't freak out, but I think I've been catfished.
What? By who? Spill now.
You know that girl I've been talking to on LoveLink? Emily?
Yeah, the one who's...